The next exercise that we'll be doing is called the straight leg raise. The leg will be fully extended as much as tolerated. Keeping the knee straight, we raise it to the height of the opposite leg. Hold at the top and then lower slow. And we'll do 10 of those. So bring it up, hold, 1, lower slow. Breathe, up, hold, 2, lower slow. Up, hold, 3, lower slow. Take a deep breath. Raise up, hold, down, 4. Again, raise up, hold, breathe, lower, 5. Raise up, hold at the top, lower slow, 6. Again, raise up, hold, lower slow, 7. Again, raise up, keep the knee as straight as you can, hold, lower slow, 8. Breathe, lift up, hold at the top, lower again, 9. One more. We're going to raise the leg up to the height of the opposite knee, hold it, and then lower again slow. Bend the knee up. The speed at which you do the exercise is important. Muscles zip like zippers. It's actually harder for a muscle to do a contraction slowly. So when you are throwing the leg up, so Martha, I'm going to have you raise the leg up fast and then lower it, drop it down. This is really momentum. She kicks up that leg, stops at the top, and then drops it. So that's not how I want you to do these exercises. It is slow. You know, use the breathing, exhaling when you lower.